Hi friends, let us straightly go to the Dream 11 analysis for the India vs New Zealand final match. And India have already announced their squad, and bowlers are Bumrah, Shami, and uh, Ishant. That is India's bowling, and in all-rounder section you can see Ashwin and Jadeja as part, and then in batting. Kohli, Pujara, Rohit, Shubman Gill, and Ajinkya Rahane. And in wicketkeeper section, Rishabh Pant will play this match. And New Zealand is not announced their squad. I think in this crucial match, India is going to miss Mohammad Siraj, and for him, India added Mohammad Shami, and he have not played crucial previous matches. And I think it will be a problem for India in this match since Shami is bowling onto the stumps mainly, and New Zealand batsman can have utilized that and can score runs. So I think this match will be a draw or a loss mainly for India, and in that case we can make use of this opportunity and score a good point in the GL and get good ranks if we put team according to that. Many of the Dream 11 users will go for India win, and now we have to make this team based on 7 or 10 players and then others Indian players. So you can take most pacers from New Zealand. That is, you must take Kale Jamieson, and he can use make of his height and can use of his fast bowling, and then Henry, then Wagner. These are must picks. These players can also bat also, and in if you want you can take Bolt or Southey in your team, and then in India you must take Ishant. Ishant Sharma is a good option, and then in bowling the pitch is favoring for uh, fast bowling, so I don't think Jadeja can make a impact in bowling, but he can bat very well. So Ashwin, as a player, you can take him, and in batting, you must take Ross Taylor is a good option. He is performing very well and less selection, so you can uh, get to good rank if he plays. And Henry Nichols also is good option. And then Conway is in tremendous form and played very well in the previous matches against England in that swinging condition, not swing much, but in that conditions. So in his debut, so he is very confident. So you can go surely with Conway with less selection. You can take him as captain or VC, and then if Young plays, you can take him as a player, and then in very form, but you can take him if you want as a player. And then in India's case, I think you can go with Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma. Other players in batting, I will recommend you Jadeja. And then I think in this crucial match of final, Rishabh Pant may be a flop. He will not. I think he can. He will not bat according to that pressure condition. So you can take New Zealand New Zealand wicket keepers like Watling or Blundell, whoever is playing. Blundell is in very good form in the recent matches, and Watling is also a very good option. I don't know who is playing today, and Kohli also I think can make an impact. And Pujara, I don't think he can be in the ground for a long time since New Zealand pace attack is very strong. And then in all-rounder section, other players are Granholm. Granholm is not playing very well, and also I don't think the spinners will be played for by New Zealand. Uh, in that way, you can select your team. I will say you must take one wicket keeper, and then you must go with Gill and Rohit Sharma and Ishant Sharma from India side. And as a batsman, you can take Jadeja also in India side. Okay. Then in New Zealand side, you must go for Jamieson, Henry, Wagner. Then in batting will give you more point in this test match, and also in bowling, you will not get many point like ODI and T20 in test matches. So take batsmen like Taylor, and Nichols is very good batsman who will stand, and Conway. This may be my ideal team, and in this you can make Conway as a captain or a bowler as a VC from New Zealand. And if you to take Bolt, you can change Wagner and then take Bolt, or else you can remove one opener from India and then take this Bolt or South and rotate this in order to score very good in your Dream 11. Okay, thank you. If you find worked out, then you can subscribe my channel and support with your like if you like this video.